doing? You crawling around? Dada. No, no. No, no. No, no. I know you want to play with stuff all the time. Hi. Where you going? You gonna climb up on the bed? You gonna climb up on the bed? Oh, come and see. Oh, you gonna pull yourself up? Come on. Come on, you got it. Hi. Oh, on your belly. Oh, there's the doorstop. That's one of our most favorite toys. That one doesn't do what the downstairs one does. That one doesn't spring. Watch your head. Watch your head. Oh, what's that piece? That one doesn't spring either. Those sleepers are so hard to crawl in, buddy. Look at that kid moving. Look at it moving. Where are you going? Where's the dada? No, no. No, no. Dada. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. Oh, you're looking at the ceiling fan? Oh, woo, woo. Yee, I know. Where are you going? Oh, there's the fan, Mama. You know how much I like the fan. Hey, handsome. Hey. Are we ready for breakfast? Do we want to go get some breakfast? Ooh, what's that? What's that? That's the change jug. Yep. Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. Careful. That's gonna hurt if you bump it. Hey. Hey. Handsome. Handsome man. What are you doing? You gonna come see the camera? That was handsome. Oh, big smile. Yeah. Yee. I know. Tino. What are you doing? Oh, we're gonna get the camera string. Yes, gonna get the camera string. Watch out, doo-doo. Doo-doo. Where are you going? Whoa, no, not getting the camera. Come on, you'll get the camera. Whoa, dun. Why is your mouth open all the time? Huh? Say, yeah, Mom. Oh, why's a squeal? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh. Were you gonna pull yourself up? Come on. Oh, big man, come on, get up on those feet. Come Come on, get up on those feet. Oh, whoa. I know. It's hard. It's hard, Mama. Come on, pull yourself up. Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're all right. You're all right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're okay. You're silly. You're silly. Uh-oh. Little bump. Where are you going? Ah, Dada. Don't go underneath the dresser, please. Ah, Dada. I know. I know. Where are you gonna go? Don't bump your head. Don't bump your head. Watch your head. Well, that's the dresser. It's Mama's TV. Oh, that's an ornery look. What are you doing? Hey, handsome, where are you going? Oh, watch your head. Watch your head. Hey, Tino, that's a sheet for the bed. That's a sheet for the bed. Uh-oh, what you got? Hey. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. What you got? What you got? Go come see Mommy? Go come see Mommy? Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. All right. Want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye? Tino, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.